In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream from iPad or iPhone to PC with OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have your device's screen and audio showing up cleanly in OBS, ready for a professional looking stream. First, a quick overview. You can connect your iPhone or iPad to OBS either wirelessly or with a cable. Wireless can be convenient, but it often introduces delay and occasional stutters. For the smoothest, most reliable experience with the lowest latency, I recommend going wired. Here's the wired setup. If your device uses Lightning, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter. If it has USB-C, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Run that HDMI into a USB capture card and then plug the capture card into your PC. A short, high-quality HDMI cable helps prevent signal drops, and a powered adapter can keep your device charged during longer sessions. Once you're connected, open OBS Studio. In your scene, add your device's video. Click the plus button in the Sources panel, choose Video Capture Device, give it a name you'll recognize, and select your capture card from the device list. You should immediately see your iPhone or iPad screen appear in the preview. If it doesn't, make sure the capture card is recognized by your system and that your adapters are fully seated. Next, bring in the device's audio. Add a new source and choose Audio Input Capture. Select your capture card if it carries audio, or choose your virtual audio device if you're routing sound that way. Watch the audio meters in the OBS mixer to confirm levels are moving. If you hear echo, mute any duplicate audio sources and monitor only the one you need. Now fit the device screen to your layout. Use the red bounding box in the OBS canvas to resize. If you want to trim out black bars or the iOS status bar, crop the source so only the content you care about is visible. Position it alongside your webcam, overlays, or chat as needed. To dial in performance, run the auto configuration wizard in OBS. This will test your system and recommend resolution and frame rate settings that match your hardware and goals. Accept the suggested values, especially if you're not sure which settings to choose. Before you go live, make sure your iPhone or iPad trusts your computer. Unlock the device and accept the trust prompt so the connection stays stable. If you don't see the prompt, reconnect the cable and try again. That's it. With your wired connection, video and audio sources added, layout adjusted, and settings optimized, you're ready to stream from your iPhone or iPad through OBS on your PC.